Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight, doing a little bit of goofing around, and I wanted to do another edition of the Hasbro channel St. Patrick's Day Challenge, another airgun edition. Looks like we might have some decent weather coming up for this next weekend, and I can get out with one of my nice 22s and try the 22 version as well. But for now, we'll keep it indoors, and we'll shoot our air guns. So he has opened it up. The other one was a kind of a daisy, supposed to be daisy only type of thing. We definitely stretched that out a lot more than he expected, I think. But he's opened this one up to pellet guns, pellet pistols, BB guns, BB pistols, and I thought I'd give it another try with a pistol. This one is very, very cool. This one is a Baikal from Russia, and it is a single stroke pneumatic, very, very high end, very, very accurate pellet pistol. This one is an IZH-46M, and if I'm reading the serial number right, it looks like it was made in around 1997. So not super old, but 30 years, getting close to 30 years old for a pellet gun is pretty cool. So pretty old. But so you pull this bail all the way open like that. That actually pulls your compression cylinder all the way out, and it also opens up this bail back here. And then you load one pellet into your breech right here. Maybe. There it goes. And then you close down the breech, and then finally bring your bail back down, and that compresses your single puff of air. Let's go ahead and shoot a couple sighter shots. I keep meaning to bring out that blinder that was sent to me for doing this type of shooting, but I am shooting this at 7 yards, one-handed. All right, one more sighter, and then we'll get started. Absolutely magnificent trigger. So stand by, let me look at that. All right, looks like they both went into the same hole, and I was aiming with my sights at the bottom, right at the bottom of the bullet there. So it looks like I was hitting exactly where I was aiming. So let's go ahead and get started. It does not look like anybody has scored a perfect score yet on the website. So hasbroshide.com is the website where you can find these targets, and Hasbro YouTube channel is that went high. I did a couple of practice shots before I started up, and they were going a little high. That's why I was aiming low on that. So it's definitely not the gun. If I put this on a rest, it'll put every pellet into the same hole. So it's all me at that point. That's better. Doesn't really matter which order you do, as long as you put the pellet in and close the bail and then close the breech. You can close the breech first and then close the bail. But really cool pistol. It's 3. 4. Ugh. Did a bunch of work on Saturday. My hands are sore from still sore from doing all that work. All right, that was 4, right? So one more on the center one. All really good shots except for the first one. First one still counts, still scores, but all right, upper left. Go. Oop, that one went a little high. All right, number 3. Number 4 coming up. Okay. One thing about this, I've always been meaning to do it. It's got a sharp edge right here on this side. It starts to become uncomfortable after shooting it for a little while. I always wanted to take a little bit of sandpaper and knock that sharp edge off of there. All right, last one on that one. All right, that looks good. Got a couple of 39s going up on the website, but no 40s yet. So the center leprechaun has a hat band around his hat with a buckle in the middle. If you hit the hat, it's worth 10 points. If you hit the buckle, it's worth 15 bonus points. But if you miss and hit the actual leprechaun, you lose 5 points off your total score. So definite risk reward situation there. All right. Those those bulls are small through these open sights, let me tell you. Whew. Starting to get a little, just about ready to pull it down and start over. But you wait too long and you start shaking around. All right, here goes number 3. Ooh. Did that one pull in? Let me check that. All right, I did pull that one in a little bit to the right, but it still looks like it scored, so still doing good. So that's 3. This one's going to take a little bit of long, being a single shot and everything. It's going to take a little bit longer. All right, number 4 on the upper right. There we go. Last one on that upper right. All right, I didn't see where it went, but I don't see anything out in the white, so hopefully that was a good shot. All right, lower left. Starting to get shaky, shooting one hand. That's two. The wind is whipping outside tonight. That's three. Four. And that's five. I think I got them all. I'm using the 7 green Meisterkuggens, if anybody's wondering. I forgot to say earlier, I think. All right, lower right. Got it. Ooh, that one might be a miss. Darn it. I should have. I felt like I was shaking around too much. I should have pulled back. I hope that one pegs or plugs up. There we go. It's three. Four. Getting shaky. Getting tough. It's hard holding that gun out. Oh, that's definitely a zero. Oh my goodness. I should have stopped. Darn it. All right. I definitely need that bonus now. I need to not hit the... I have been really doing bad with this bonus on this round for sure. All right, let's get it. I can't see it. Looks like it might have hit high, so at least maybe I didn't hit the leprechaun this time. So let me add that up, and didn't get a perfect score for sure, but I think I did pretty good. Stand by. Alrighty, I am back, and I was not a perfect score. It was actually really pretty good though. That one on the last bullseye was definitely, the one was definitely a 0. The other one did plug out pretty good, so I did take that 1 point. I did end up with a 10 on the bonus and not a 15, so I did end up with a 34. So I got 5 and 5 and 5, 5, and then a 4 here, and then I hit the hat right there for a 10. I think I chickened out. I kind of was aiming a little high. I didn't want to hit the leprechaun, so I've been doing really bad. I think only one. So I haven't gotten any bonus yet, and I think the only one that I actually did not hit the leprechaun. I was outside and didn't hit anything anywhere, so didn't get any bonus there, but I didn't lose any points either. So, but anyway, awesome gun. All of those misses were definitely on me and had nothing to do with the gun's shooting ability for sure, but it was a lot of fun. It is tough shooting one-handed, but it's good practice because on our Tuesday night leagues, we definitely shoot one-handed at 50 feet with a 22 pistol. This is great practice for it. I do practice a lot with this pistol because this aims and points a lot like the high standard Supermatic Citation that I shoot, and actually very similar grips too, except for that sharp edge on the inside. But there you go, 34, pretty respectable. Doesn't put me on the top of the leaderboard, I don't think. Maybe it does in the pistols. I'm not sure about that, but definitely there's some 39s in some of the rifle categories, so I need to be honing my skills there a little bit more. Hope you guys stuck around till the end. Really appreciate everybody being on the channel. Till next time, have a great day.